What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hunters Prestige YouTube channel. On today's video, we've got a Hunters build. We haven't done one for a while, so let's get into the video.
Electric thrills, two hearts racing, chasing the chills.
Right, so as you can see, the vehicle is now in the vehicle bay and the guys are on full swing on this particular build. They've already taken off the spoiler, so D-pillars are off, the V3 spoiler is going on. Obviously our replacement spoilers are one of our most popular products we actually supply. It looks much better and an OEM finish than the stick on the spoiler that you see on most videos. We've also done the tailgate strip and the reverse lights on there as well. He's got the V2 reverse lights in red just to match his rear tail lights as well. So he previously had tow eyes on his build, but when the vehicle actually got delivered to him, he did already have tow eyes on the vehicle. We're going to be stripping this shortly because we're changing the wheel arches as well. Currently he's got these standard arches on the vehicle, so he's going to go for the extended wheel arches. And he's also going to add spacers just to the rear, just to pack out that stance a little bit, add better stability as well. Inside he's added a couple of different options. He's changed the dashboard ends. He's changed the dashboard ends to the dark grey. We're also going to be changing the steering wheel. He's going to have a flat bottom Alcantara steering wheel with a different insert as well, just to break up all of that cloud look in the inside. Really nice interior. This is very similar to our V8 interior. Towards the front of the car as well, you can see the front bumper is already off. He's actually having the integrated grille lights within the bumper, which we need to remove the bumper for. If you haven't watched that video, it is just up here. He's going for the two 10-inch yellow. He's also going for a grille light. He's got a little bit of a light package going on there as well. So he's got the side vents and he's also having a pod light as well. I think the guys are now about to change the bonnet inserts as well. This is shaping up to be a good build and a very busy day.
Is
So there you go guys, that transformation is now complete, and how much better and beefier does this car now look. We've added a full light package to this vehicle, including the front LED pod light, which is our V3 in gloss black. He's also towards the front of the car got an LED grille light as well as the integrated grille lights as well, which are switchable with a remote. Finish it off nicely, he's gone for the LED side vents and is showcasing our Hunters Prestige badge there as well. This car looks so much more beefier. We've added 20-inch satin black wheels with massive off-road tyres, and it just beefs it out a little bit more with the wind deflectors that we've added all the way around the vehicle. The back of the vehicle has also had quite a big transformation. The customers opted in for a V3 spoiler, which is our replacement spoiler. He's finished it off and they go hand in hand together. He's added a V2 tailgate strip in gloss black just to cover that bumper a little bit and protect it from getting anything in and out of the vehicle. We've also added a little bit of usability for the car and added our reverse lights on there. So he's got the reverse lights. These are the V2s in red, just to match the tail lights at the back. So these have the indicator, they have the brake, and they also have the reverse as well. Not only that, we've also added a boot light in there as well, which is the V3. So as you can see, you've got the different options available. You have the orange and you also have the white as well light. And you can also dim it down if you want to as well. This customer is also showcasing one of our new products that we've been working on for quite some time now. I know you guys have been waiting for the diesel exhaust tips to come back in stock. We've been actually redesigning them to have a quad exhaust tip. So this customer is showcasing these. As you can see, you've got a dummy on the right hand side, and on the left hand side obviously goes through the output of the exhaust. Now this goes hand in hand with our new exhaust cover, which ties it in nicely, just covers up the underneath of that exhaust a little bit, just makes everything look meaner, and it does actually look like a V8 and it looks really, really good. We've also added 25mm spacers to the rear of the car just to bring out them tyres a little bit, just to give it a nice natural staggered offset. Now the front of the car has a natural offset anyway and sits really good with the big tyres. Inside the vehicle, we've also made subtle changes as well. Customers opted in for a flat bomb Alcantara steering wheel, which just gives a little bit of a nicer grip when driving. And he's also added the dashboard ends as well, so he's changing the colour to try and get away from the oyster, which he already has spread out the whole of the car. And I think it just brings together the whole environment of the inside, taking away all the different colours. So he's got a lot of white in there, he's got tan interior already, and obviously now he's got a nice dark colour. So that's the end of today's video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching us build this vehicle. If you're interested in any of the products you've seen in today's video, get in contact with our sales team, who are always happy to help. As always, guys, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters. We'll see you on the next video.